Hi friends, welcome to Seethu's Biology and Creativity. So today in this video we are going to know about what are the changes are going to be taken place in the woman's body during the second week of the pregnancy. So already gave the detailed information in the previous video about the first week of the pregnancy. So in this video we are going to know about the second week. So if you want to know that, so don't skip the video, just watch the complete video. So first let me clear you that when this second week of the pregnancy will persist. Actually this second week will begins in the second week of the last menstrual cycle only. So during the second week of the pregnancy, in the female reproductive system, we can observe the release of the egg, that is nothing but the ovum from the ovary into the fallopian tubes. That is nothing but the ovulation is going to be taken place in the female reproductive system. When the egg is released from the ovary, it is directly entered into the fallopian tubes. If before the ovulation or after the ovulation, if the sexual intercourse is happened, then the sperms are going to be entered into the female reproductive system to each and every part. Means the sperms are going to be entered or going to be occupied the each and every part of the female reproductive system, and millions of sperms are entered into the female reproductive system at one copulation, and those are going to search where the ovum is going to be situated. After, if they recognize the ovum is situated at some point, they fight each other and they fight each other to enter into that egg. We can observe in this video that many of the hundreds of the sperms are going to be fight against each other for entering into the ovum for the first. So any one sperm only is going to enter into this ovum for the first, and those sperms all keep on searching the way to enter into that ovum. We can see here one of the sperm is going to enter and it is going to try to enter into that ovum. Finally it was entered into that ovum, but the way was seized for further entry of the other sperm into the ovum. Here we can see that when the sperm enters into the ovum, it is going to remove its tail and it is going to combine with the ovum. This combination is known as the conception process. Within hours only, the conception, that is nothing but the egg and also the sperm which is combined, that is going to divide into the two cells within few hours. We can observe in this video. Later these two cells are going to divide into the four cells. Like that, the process, the dividation of the cells will be continued up to the fourth day after the fertilization occurs. About 16 to 20 cells are formed. That formed cells are known as the morula. After the fifth day of the fertilization, we can observe that the cells in the morula are going to move at one side. We can observe in this video that if the cell differentiation continues in after the conception process, then the morula is going to convert into the blastocyst. When the blastocyst forms, the embryo from the fallopian tubes, it is going to enter into the uterus of the female reproductive system, and it is going to implant into that uterus finally. So after the implantation of the blastocyst into the uterus, finally day by day or the weeks may prolong. On that weeks, one of the cells, individual cells in the blastocyst are going to function individually, and they are going to form an individual part of the baby like this. Within the other weeks, that are nothing but the third week, fourth week, the weeks which are going to happen in the pregnancy. On that weeks, each cell are going to develop into the each part. So in this week, in the second week of the pregnancy, we can observe that the formation of the embryo in the woman, and those are going to form the morula, and that morula is going to divide into the blastocyst, and that blastocyst is going to enter into the uterus, and it is going to implant into that uterus, and individual cell is going to develop into each part of baby. So these are the different changes which are going to be taking place in the woman's body during the second week of the pregnancy. I think you guys understand the complete video regarding this. If you like this video, please do subscribe, share and like. Thank you so much.